to the radio, you can adjust the height and also the angle. You can adjust the angle. And it's also detachable. So if you want to detach the face, there are two locking tabs there. You push that inward, the entire face comes out. This is a 2018 Subaru Forester. We are changing out the radio. We already have the radio out. It's a bit involved, so I'm gonna show you how it's gonna come out. First thing you're gonna do is pry this air vent out. There are two 10 mils here. Now to get to the screws, which is mounted on the side this way, you gotta drop the glove box out. Then there is a 10 mil. You're gonna take that out. To get to this side, you're gonna take this side panel out, and you gotta remove this side panel out. There is a screw here. Then you're gonna remove this. The reason you are removing this bottom dash is to remove this airbag, because the airbag is here and hiding that 10 mil that you gotta take out on this end here. So you gotta take this side out, dashboard out, remove the airbag module out, this panel out, 10 mil holding on to the radio. Once you have done that, the radio, the entire heater control comes out like that.
The plugs are really
and usually Subaru is a lot easier when it's removing the radio, but this one they made it difficult. So once you disconnect all the plugs, radio will come out.
Just I had a map this one.
This Subaru, it didn't work out the way we planned. We need to use a Maestro made by Identilink because it's got the Harman Kardon audio system. Require this. And
No. Not yet.
we have the module, the Maestro module, but we don't have harness. So I ordered this Maestro RR. So that's the module, which is this one here. But I don't have this, so I just ordered this. It's coming tomorrow, so once we get it, we're gonna use this T harness that should enable factory amplifier. You do have to use this special module in order to activate the factory amplifier on this system. Okay, so I'm gonna flash the module. I just got the module delivered. It's a 2018 Subaru. There are 2 amps. One is the amplifier, the other one is the Harman Kardon with Bluetooth. We are doing both. Which one is it? Alright, so we are doing this. We got that. HRSU, that's the one. And we don't have USB. Factory amp, steering wheel control, OEM cam. Continue. Flash. It's gonna flash. So this is flashed. Okay, this car is equipped with SOS. That means you gotta connect this pink wire. That's the Starlink. So it says it right here, it says Starlink. So they need to be connected there. Everything else is all plug and play. This is a backup cam integration module. Amp integration, power, and reverse cam plugs into reverse cam. And also it is equipped with a steering wheel control harness somewhere. This is a steering wheel control. We gotta connect the CAN wire. This is a heater control harness. There's a blue wire and red wire that need to be connected to these CAN wires right here. So the gray plug that's supposed to be connected together. For this car, you unplug it. It comes with another female plug. You plug it, a male plug. Plug it in here. Then brown red wire goes to red. Brown yellow wire goes to blue. So that gets connected to these two. That's a CAN wire. Now this CAN wire and need to be connected to gray plug that we unplugged, which is right here. So that's the CAN wire. That's the antenna power lead. That's the steering wheel control. We connected everything back. Microphone, reverse cam, main harness. Let's see if it works. Wait, we gotta get the face. Okay. Face on. Let's test it. Beautiful.
What's on?
Everything seems to be coming on okay, except we had no audio. So I called Maestro. They told me, don't use this harness. This is the 6-pin plug that looks at the rear channel. She said, unplug that and also unplug one more. Which one was it? This blue plug. She told me to unplug it. Let's see what happens. So we end up unplugging this 6-pin plug. They told me don't need it. So we unplugged it. So we're about to try out. Everything's all plugged in. Let's see, before we snap it in, let's make sure that the radio works. Get the radio face. Alright, let's see. Good. Android Auto. Okay. Apps. Particular radio, you can adjust the height and also the angle. You can adjust the angle, and it's also detachable. So if you want to detach the face, there are 2 locking tabs there. You push that inward, entire face comes out.